Hey everyone, welcome back to our food vlog. Today, we're going to take you on a culinary adventure, exploring some delicious and mouth-watering dishes from around the world. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive right in. First up, we're heading to Thailand, where we'll be trying out some classic street food. Picture this, a big, hot plate filled with crispy fried chicken, marinated in a sweet and tangy sauce. Served with a side of fresh, crunchy vegetables and a refreshing lime dip. Yum! Next, we're off to Mexico, a country that's famous for its feasts and parties. So, we're diving into some traditional tacos al pastor, featuring succulent marinated pork, grilled pineapple and onions, all wrapped up in a soft corn tortilla. These are going to be a game changer. Now, we're craving something sweet and fruity. So, let's head to Italy, the land of pasta and pizza. We'll be making a homemade pizza using fresh, organic ingredients and topping it with a generous layer of ricotta cheese, cherry tomatoes, and basil. Buon appetito! Finally, we're in the land of the rising sun, Japan. Here, we're going to try some sushi rolls, featuring a medley of fresh fish, avocado, cucumber, and carrots, all rolled up in a warm, soft rice roll. Let's hope these savory rolls satisfy our sweet tooth. And there you have it, our food vlog journey through some amazing dishes from around the world. We hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure as much as we did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious food journeys. Until next time, stay tasty.